Welcome. In this video, I'll show you a really cool thing I just discovered in Microsoft Copilot or from Microsoft Copilot. If you're nervous or not great at technical presentations or presentations in general, you can use PowerPoint to coach you in real time for your presentation. Let me show you. So, have PowerPoint open. Then, what you do, like if I go in design, not in design, slideshow. Normally, I'd go hit record, right? But check this out. I can rehearse with Coach. So it's called Coach. Let's fire up this bad boy. And then it'll give you real time feedback, like in a lot of valuable information. It also listens to your words, it knows what you're saying. Then it will tell you if you're using filler words. So let's check it out in action. I selected show real time feedback. I hit start rehearsing, right? So I could start talking about the hardware design ecosystem or whatever. And I have all my normal presentation things. But I click on here and I say, hey guys, what's up? This is, well, not what's up, but let me start using filler words like, and actually, what I'm thinking is maybe if we see off to a good start, keep at it. Okay, that's fine. Hopefully, it'll pick up on one of my words that are filler words. Anyway, let's talk about the introduction. I'm going to present as if I'm presenting, all right? So in this introduction, we're going to see it called out the word great, using too many filler words. So if I use certain filler words too often, maybe once or twice is fine. Or actually twice is not even fine, just once is fine. If we look at core components of hardware design, we'll also talk about industry players, design roles in hardware engineering, full stack hardware engineer, and what's the difference between that hardware engineer, and then let me speed up my communication a little bit. Like if I talk about the project workflow and then key tools and software and see if it'll detect that. Okay, see, it lets me know if I'm talking too fast. Maybe if I become nervous in my presentation, then people might have a habit of talking fast or talking too slowly. I think maybe talking too fast may not be as big of a problem for people, but maybe because I just talk normally. Oh, and I picked up the again. All right. I also like to use the word actually a lot of times until I started using this thing. Like I just started 30 minutes ago. Then I became aware of using the word actually, which is not even a useful word sometimes. Anyway, the project workflow, I would talk about that, what to expect. That includes schematic capture, well, ideation, then schematic capture, PCB creation, the stack up. Then it says, that's better, keep working on it. That's not the kind of encouragement that's good encouragement, or that's some encouragement, but I wanted to be like, oh, that's amazing. Anyway, that's good. It'll also pick up on my tone. See, I said anyway. It'll also pick up on my monotonicity. Then, and it also picked up that I used the same word. Oh, okay, that's frustrating. But here's the thing. The fact that it's giving me real-time feedback is phenomenal. I could also turn it off if it becomes too distracting. So it can listen, then it can give me feedback afterward. So let me show you this. Once you're done with your presentation and hit escape, it'll give you a rehearsal report. That's crazy, right? So it lets me know how long I've been rehearsing for, the slides that I rehearsed, the number of slides. I got a lot of slides in here. Then what filler words I like to use the most, any repetitive language. So it seems like this has been I mean, around for a while. I don't know who hasn't been talking about like Copilot, like or Coach, whatever this thing is called. It also shows the pace that I was talking at. So right a little over right in the middle here, that's in the green area. That's good. My average pace over time, that looks phenomenal, right? And how my pace decreased and increased. Then also my pitch. Low pitch variation will make your audience lose interest. try increasing. So I hover around monotone. I don't know. Wait. Oh, okay. So most of my presentation is monotone, but I guess that means below monotone or whatever. Whereas the target, we want it to be, oh, okay. So if you hit too low, like down in this area, you're in the monotone region. But if you're above the monotone area, then you're in the higher region. So we want to change our tone to keep the learner engaged. That's so cool. All right. If you click on any of these learn more things, these links, it pulls up this web page, and it knows it's me. It's in my account. It shows and gives tips on pace, delivery, variances in pace, any recommendations, taking deep breaths, creating a suitable transitional phrase. Let's talk about. Oh, okay, okay. See, I'm learning. Content originality. Wow, wow, wow. Speech refinements. So it has all these talking points or tips, excuse me, on what you can do to increase your or improve your speech, your talking, or whatever. This is great. If you don't have a Microsoft subscription, I assume this is available because of a Microsoft subscription. I'm using Office 365. This is totally worth it. Okay, so this goes into what I really wanted to see AI do, which is AI helping us in real time do what we already need to do better or faster or both, ideally both. The large language models and everything are extremely valuable, but AI in the game with me, helping me improve my skills and how I do things and getting more out of what I do is where it's at. So, what I'm predicting is that more companies are going to give us AI that helps us do what we're already doing better or faster. Ideally, both. Those are the SaaS companies that are going to win this year, 2025, and onward. Large language models have their place, but this is where AI is headed and this is where it needs to be, helping us in real time. Now, people want us to AI to do everything for us, which is fine. We have that. We have video generation, we have music generation. I just used another AI app, and I'll link that somewhere around this video, where I just created some music. So I'll have to show that to you. Anyway, I thought this is really cool. I wanted to share it with you in case you need some help with your technical presentations, especially in engineering. Make it more engaging, more interesting. Then check this out. If you have a Microsoft subscription, you should already have access to this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.